For the next set of the wings, for the lower part of the wings, and it will be the previous diagram we were making the top wings right here, and this diagram right here is for the wings on the bottom, these wings. So this part, this set of wings started from the right side. When we were crocheting the first part, we were starting from this side, now we're starting from here. And how do you know? Looking at those arrows. This is the end, this is the beginning. So the beginning in here, we're again making 28 stitches over the packing cord only, and then we connect it in the ring but with a slip stitch, making slip stitch right into the loop of your packing cord. Then after that, following which way we're going next, you see that you're not going that way, there is no arrow that's showing you that way. So this arrow was made a loop and we're connecting. And notice that packing cord after that will be dropped. You will pick up packing cord only at the very end. But right now you drop packing cord after you connect, make single crochet right here. Then after that you do double crochet, and I would say, yeah, all of them are 15 double crochet stitches on that side of your right wing for the lower part. So you go and you crochet double crochet stitches. Here it is, number 15. After that, you see that arrow, it again shows you have to turn your work and make arches. Each arch again consists of chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 arches. Connect, skip one at the bottom of the previous double crochet and make single crochet onto next stitch. And the last arch is 2 stitches, chain 2, skip 1 and double crochet here. And again we have, you see, arrow. You again go in this direction. You pick up here and make chain 4 and connect to each arch. The last arch is 3 stitches and double crochet into the last arch of the previous half round. And this is after that. So when you make this last double crochet, we have again chain 1, and then you have single crochet stitches. At first you fit in here 8 stitches. See the number, it's kind of not really like clear what is number 8 here doing. So you make 3 stitches if you can fit into the double, then a few stitches into that arch, whatever left here. I would say you would probably fit here 3 also stitches, and the rest of the stitches put into the next double crochet, and continue double crochet stitches, 12 of them, into this part of the first round. And this is when you notice this, you are not going this way, you continue. You see those dots, broken dots, so you go in the same direction. Here it is, you go in this way direction, you pick up your packing cord and you making first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 single crochet stitches. Few of them, 3 of them go into the double crochet, and then you make stitches that look more like petals. So into the first arch you make have double, 1, 2, 3 double crochet, have double, single, and again the same way you do the same things right here. Remember you crocheting over the packing cord this time, and after all those little petals are done, you see that arrow again showing you continue this way, going this way now. After last petal is done, this is when you make single crochet stitches. Notice here that we don't have anything to crochet into the back loop. All of the stitches are made into both loops of each stitch. So when you finish with all your petals, you go and crochet 20 single crochet stitches to finish this part of the wing. And then the same story as before, the same way you see the arrow shows you the direction of your work, and you have again transitioning bridge into crocheting the next wing, the second part of your second set. So first you're making your 6 single crochet stitches over the packing cord. I would again suggest place your marker, and then we're following the red line. We're going and we're crocheting again here, this arrow, 28, the first round, 28 single crochet stitches, and then we follow. We connect here, drop the packing cord, and this time we're going this way. You see that, right? A little bit different here. We started here with single crochet, here we will start with chain 2. So as soon as you made 28, you connect into the ring where your marker will be, chain 2, and make your double crochet stitches, 15 double crochet stitches, and then we, right in here, we have again this arrow showing us direction in which we have to go, and we make first set of arches, double crochet, finish with double crochet, again turning your work, here's your direction here, making next set of arches, last double crochet stitch, and then again chain 8 stitches into this side right here where the double crochet, arch and double, and then 13 more single crochet stitches on that side of the curve. And this is when you come again, single crochet stitch in the connected part. Remember where we had that first time we will connect our ring, make single crochet stitch there, pick up your packing cord, and watch very carefully how many stitches are here. Here we have 20, here we have 21. I think what they count here is this stitch. I don't know why it's 20 here and 21. So I guess they know better. So 20 or 21. I made 20. I just now noticed 21. So make your single crochet stitches, 20 stitches or 21 if you want to follow that. And make petals. Small petals of the butterfly. After the last petal, finish with few stitches here into this double crochet and chain. Then cut your thread, make sure to connect, always I finish, always, there's no slip stitch anywhere here, but I always finish my work, crochet work, with slip stitch on the back of your work, cut thread and take care of the packing cord and of your working thread. Weave everything inside on the back and you're ready to go. And then we will, I will show you how to connect both parts of the sets of wings, and then how to crochet the body of the butterfly.